The police has filed an FIR against the Samajwadi Party for violating the Election Model Code of Conduct and COVID-19 protocols. In a grand show of strength, 2 UP cabinet ministers and at least 5 BJP MLAs have joined the Samajwadi Party on Friday. The BJP's OBC faces have hitched a ride in the bicycle just days ahead of elections. But will this booster be enough for Akhilesh Yadav to unseat Yogi Adityanath?
और माननीय राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी द्वारा स्वामी प्रसाद मौर्य जी और उनके सभी साथियों का सम्मान.
At least 14 BJP rebels have now joined hands with the Samajwadi Party. Among them, prominent OBC faces and 2 cabinet ministers, Swami Prasad Maurya and Dharam Singh Saini. A 3rd UP minister, Dara Singh Chauhan, who also resigned from the BJP, is likely to join Team Akhilesh on 16th of January.
लगातार विकेट गिर रहे थे उधर पर. हालांकि हमारे बाबा मुख्यमंत्री क्रिकेट खेलना नहीं जानते हैं. अगर वो क्रिकेट भी जानते होते अब तो उनसे कैच छूट गया.
5 BJP MLAs also hopped onto the Samajwadi Party cycle, just days after the crucial assembly polls. They grouse the alleged neglect of the backward castes by the BJP and the Yogi government.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि 5 साल तक क्यों नहीं इस्तीफा दिया. भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोगों ने इस देश के गरीबों, मजलूमों, दलितों, पिछड़ों, अल्पसंख्यकों के आंख में धूल झोंककर सत्ता हथियाई थी.
Trouble may be far from over for the BJP. Former State Minister Dharam Singh Saini has warned that there will be a resignation a day from the UP cabinet till 20th January.
अभी देखिए, आज तीसरा दिन है इस्तीफा देने का. आज तीसरा दिन है. इसी तरह रोज एक मंत्री 20 तारीख तक प्रतिदिन एक मंत्री 3-4 विधायक रोज इस्तीफा देंगे. ये मान लीजिए 20 तारीख तक.
BJP so far is downplaying the desertions.
जब चुनाव आते हैं इस प्रकार की गतिविधियां देखने में आती रही हैं और आप देखें जब परिणाम आएगा तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के पक्ष में आएगा. हम पिछली बार से भी अधिक सीटें जीत करके सरकार बनाएंगे.
With his former ministers accusing him of neglecting the OBCs, Yogi Adityanath had lunch with a Dalit family in Gorakhpur. On the menu was khichdi and a whole lot of political symbolism.
मैं मकर संक्रांति के अवसर पर अपने इस अनुसूचित जाति के कार्यकर्ता से अमृतलाल भारती और उनके सभी परिवारजनों को हृदय से धन्यवाद देता हूं, जिन्होंने मुझे खिचड़ी सह भोज पर अपने घर में आमंत्रित किया. खिचड़ी भोज जो समता भोज भी है, बाबा साहब के उस संदेश को जन जन तक पहुंचाने के इस अभियान के हिस्से के तहत कार्यक्रम आज संपन्न हुआ है.
नाम आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूं.
The mega Samajwadi Party induction ceremony, however, is now under scanner for flouting Election Commission's COVID norms. Pitched as a virtual rally, thousands of SP workers and supporters congregated at the party headquarters in Lucknow. This, despite the poll panel banning all gatherings and rallies in the poll-bound state till 15th of January.
आज उस उत्तर प्रदेश की कोविड की लड़ाई को कमजोर करने के लिए भी एक प्रकार से इस रैली को किया गया है. ये बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है. इस पर कार्रवाई इलेक्शन कमीशन को सुनिश्चित करनी चाहिए.
श्री रजनीकांत मौर्य जी.
The DM of Lucknow has already said that no permissions were given for the Samajwadi Party event.
It was a blockbuster Friday in political Pradesh. 14 BJP netas, mostly OBCs, have decided to hitch a ride on Akhilesh Yadav's bicycle just before Uttar Pradesh Assembly elections. BJP's core strength, the OBC vote, the desertion will continue in the coming days, or BJP will take lead in this entire battle of Uttar Pradesh. With cameraman Sandeep Dubey, Samarth Srivastava for India Today.
The Election Commission will review its ban on public meetings and poll rallies. That's going to be done today. The poll panel is likely to make a decision on extending these curbs. This is the deadline of the curbs announced by the EC ends today. On the 8th of January, Election Commissioner barred parties from conducting physical rallies and roadside gatherings. However, in spite of these curbs, Samajwadi Party held an induction meeting in which all of those leaders from the BJP who had just recently defected to the SP were in full attendance, amongst other party workers of the SP, hundreds of them. In UP, remember, there are over 80,000 active COVID cases. In Punjab, over 30, and in Uttarakhand, over 10,000 active cases.
आप जो है वो अपने पॉलिटिकल गोल के लिए सारे प्रोटोकॉल को तोड़ोगे, सारे सिस्टम को तोड़ो। इसीलिए जो है वो जो 3B ब्रदरहुड है, उसमें जो एक नया कुनबा जुड़ रहा है इस 3B ब्रदरहुड में, चाहे वो बलवाइयों का हो, चाहे बेईमानों का हो, चाहे बाहुबलियों का हो, वो किसी नियम को नहीं मानता।
All right, let's take a look at the top 5 states with the maximum daily cases that are being reported. The states of concern: Maharashtra, number 1 state with the maximum number of cases, 43,211 being reported. We have Delhi city next with Karnataka, in fact, with 20,723 cases. Delhi comes third now. The cases have declined here. It now stands at 24,383 cases. Tamil Nadu has a little over 23,000 cases, and West Bengal has over 22,000 cases.